In this video, I will show you how to freeze frame. We have a clip right here. We will freeze a part of this clip. To do that, right-click on the video clip and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. As we can see here, the whole clip is now cut in 3 parts. The middle part is the freezed frame. You can also adjust how long the duration of the freezed clip. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!